What's up, y'all? So we're at the dairy farm. Took a trip up to Wisconsin to see Miss Black Shark's family. Oh wow, it's super muddy here. That little dog is Hobo. That's what we call him. These are two little baby calves. This black one was born yesterday at like 9 o'clock in the morning, and then the little white one came at 9:30. So they're pretty much twins from different mothers. Cute though. I got to feed this one yesterday. This is Lily. You want to say hi? I'm not sure how old these calves are, but they're all really freaked out. They aren't used to people. This one isn't too bad, but hey. They'll suck on your hand because they think it's a nipple. Hi. What's up? Okay, just kidding. She said, I'm gonna come out and say hi. No, I'm gonna go back. Is that good milk, Hobo? Is that good milk? Yeah. So these are also very young calves, but they haven't been put in those cages, I think, that we saw outside. I think they're still a little too young for that. So they're all in a communal presence right here, just chilling. Good morning, ladies. So these are all dairy cows. Pretty cool. They're super big, but they're also like hella skittish. That one's like curious. Never seen a camera before. Anyways. Later I'm gonna come in and help clean, put new bedding down, clean up the crap, push it onto the belt.